The Caspian Sea is one of the world's most strategically important inland seas, connecting 5 countries and sitting at the crossroads of energy, trade, and regional security. In 2018, those 5 states agreed on a common legal framework for its use. The Convention on the Legal Status of the Caspian Sea was signed in Kazakhstan's Aktau, following years of negotiations. 4 have since completed the ratification process. Iran has not.
The Aktau summit also produced several related agreements and protocols. The convention provides a framework for several areas. Under the convention, all 5 must complete the required legal procedures before it can enter into force. Now, 8 years later, Tehran is taking steps towards ratification, bringing the long-running debate back into focus. On July 22, 2026, the Iranian government approved a bill on joining the convention and sent it to Parliament for consideration. Foreign Ministry spokesman Esmail Baghai said ratification would create a clearer legal framework among the 5 Caspian littoral states.
When the bill was about to be submitted, I explicitly stated that it is the people's right to be fully informed and to know about an issue that is, after all, important to national security and national interests. Some of the statements being made about the convention are clearly based on certain stereotypical assumptions that have no basis either in the document itself or in the history of negotiations and discussions concerning the document within the relevant decision-making institutions.
In a statement published by Iran's national news agency, IRNA, Nabiollah Azami, head of Iran's Caspian Sea Secretariat, said the Caspian Sea Convention provides a framework for cooperation among the 5 littoral states while protecting Iran's security and national interests. The debate has also spread beyond Iran's official political sphere. Some conservative politicians, experts, and media outlets are calling for the bill to be rejected. Some critics have warned that ratification could facilitate new oil and gas pipelines across the Caspian seabed. But the convention does not automatically approve such projects. It provides a framework for submarine pipelines and cables, with environmental requirements and the agreement of the states concerned. The debate has also increasingly been linked to Azerbaijan and the Zangezur corridor. Some Iranian commentators argue that ratification could strengthen Azerbaijan's regional position. But the convention does not mention the Zangezur corridor, nor does it grant Azerbaijan new rights over regional transit routes. Another major point of debate is Iran's alleged historical 50% share of the Caspian Sea. Former Iranian ambassador to Azerbaijan, Mohsen Pakain, rejects that claim. He says no historical treaty or other legal document granted Iran half of the Caspian, and that such a division did not exist even during the Soviet period. The 1921 and 1940 agreements between Iran and the Soviet Union established arrangements for navigation and other shared rights, but did not divide the Caspian into 2 equal halves. The 2018 convention, likewise, assigns no fixed percentage to any country. Pakain has also warned that further delays could weaken Iran's position on issues including fishing, navigation, and environmental protection. The dispute is therefore broader than the question of percentages. It concerns Iran's long-term role in the Caspian.